I'm not having that. I'll go.
There's another beer.
I'll go get another beer.
Right, let's try and get some blood on the face because it is a Metalhead stream.
No, it's not him. It's him. Oh, there we go. Yeah, that's definitely him. Oh, there it is.
Let's leave that in for now. Feels too weird, man. I gotta take it out.
It's 11 PM. No, it's not.
Whoa. That's not good. Greg, I need you to get me a tissue.
Oh shit, man, you're spurting.
Whoa! Metalhead stream! Thank you. I think it's gone. Oh, what? That was a bad idea. I've done that like 20 times on stream and it's never like gone it like this.
Well, I have metal. It's the metal music, man. It's like it's drawn to the metal music.
Okay.
Metal demands blood.
It's just. I'm just gonna leave it.
Once you get banned for blood, yeah, as long as they report us.
Yeah,
snitches get stitches. Remember
no
that?
one
Cool, man.
Matt has done it.
I don't want to stick my head.
How much pain was I in?
It's not about pain though. It's about fucking fucking my skull up.
I've stapled my head on stream up maybe 50 times.
Fucked up, man. You won't give me that shit. Give me it. Where is it? Call me that.
Don't.
Fuck, that hurts. What the fuck did you?
Show him. He fucking did it. He did it. Greg's never done that.
That hurts. How'd you get it out?
You just put it.
Can you put it? That's alright. It's like blood.
It's missing some metal.
Is it? Oh shit. Fuck's sake.